NAMM 2019. We're here at the Beatbox booth. We're going to check out this do-it-yourself project that's going to be on the crowdfunds very soon. Next on Geekazine, NAMM 2019. We got Ethan here from Beatbox. You guys are starting up your company.
Yes.
So you're not out yet.
Not out yet. So we're planning on doing our crowdfunding somewhere around early March. So we're debuting at NAMM today to kind of get a sense of how the market reacts to the product because it's a new concept.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a fully do-it-yourself type system.
Yeah. It's a DIY cardboard MIDI drum machine. That's all in one. So all the components actually come inside the packaging box, and then the packaging box has perforated holes on top that in turn becomes the drum machine chassis. So we tested these out with 2 10-year-old kids, and they can build it in just about an hour. You got 50 watt speakers each. You got an all-day battery in it. So yeah, we designed this to basically get amateurs, younger kids to get into music production at an easier entry point.
And we have who's the DJ that's or the beatboxer, I guess you would say, who's running the beats.
Oh yeah, this is Travis Hatcher, very talented producer, wonderful nerd on Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Actually, so this was actually my grad school project. So I went to grad school in Babson College, it's like an entrepreneurial college, and they have a class where you have to make a product and try to come up with a marketing plan for it.
Okay.
So I've been a DJ for a few years, I've been a music instructor, and I know a little bit about small electronics. So I was like, hey, why don't I just make something that's like this, right? And by the end of the project, my professors were like, well, you have to take it forward, because people really like it. So that's why we just decided to take it forward.
Okay. So when are you planning to start your Kickstarter?
Yeah, so early March is when we're So we're still doing some adjustments to the prototype. So this is the early functional prototype.
Okay.
This is our newest prototype that has like a water resistant.
Gray one.
Exactly. So water resistant coating on it. So if you spill a little water on it, it's fine. A lot more rigid. But yeah, down the road we're having a new circuit board design too this month. So yeah, there's incremental changes have to be made.
Do you have any price points set up yet? Or?
Yeah, so we're aiming for retailing for $100, but that does depend on the quality of components that we use. So right now we're using real high quality Japanese Sanwa buttons, 50 watt speakers. So this is like more than what people would really need. So it depends on kind of where we go for, right?
And you'll be able to hook it up to like a bigger loudspeaker if you need to.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, you can use you say like in your bedroom if you're producing in your actual studio, we definitely would recommend you to use your own speakers, right? But this is just for when you're out, you want to showcase your beats to anyone.
Yeah.
You're at the park, you want to be the acoustic guitar guy at the park. This is it.
That is.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Where do people go for more information?
Oh yeah, so you can visit us at beatboxinstruments.com. Sign up for a newsletter to stay in touch. We're actually trying to expand that list before we actually launch the Kickstarter project because we want to prove that there's a sufficient market for it because it's a new concept really. Right? So yeah, sign up for our newsletter at beatboxinstruments.com.
Okay, perfect. Thanks a lot, Ethan.
Thank you, for sure.
And that is Beatbox. Check it out over at the website and check out Geekazine. We got a lot of great videos over at geekazine.com, youtube.com/Geekazine. Go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, the bell notification for the next video. Of course, we also have the CES videos coming out and a lot more in 2019. The live channel as well over at youtube.com/Geekazine and twitch.tv/Geekazine. Till next time, you guys, Beatbox on and Geek out.
Hey